Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best running smartwatches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 International version in pink. This smartwatch is all about combining style with functionality. Featuring a sleek, timeless design with a luxurious finish, this watch is perfect for runners who want their smartwatch to look as good as it performs. It's powered by Android and iOS, offering seamless compatibility with a wide range of devices. The Galaxy Watch 4 excels in usability, offering GPS tracking, Bluetooth connectivity, and Google integration. Whether you're paying for coffee, streaming music, or getting directions, its robust app ecosystem ensures convenience on the go. While it can track a variety of workouts, it lacks some of the advanced metrics found in other models on this list. The 40mm AMOLED display is crisp and vibrant, but the smaller size might be a drawback for users who prefer larger screens. Its pros include a stylish design, Google Services integration, and versatile fitness tracking. On the downside, the lack of price information and fewer advanced running metrics may limit its appeal for serious runners. Overall, this watch is ideal for casual athletes who value aesthetics and basic functionality over hardcore performance metrics. At number 4, we have the Garmin Forerunner 55 GPS running smartwatch in black. This model offers a fantastic balance of performance and usability, making it a great choice for everyday runners. With 17 built-in activity profiles, including running, cycling, and even Pilates, this watch is versatile enough to accommodate various fitness routines. Its GPS, GLONASS Galileo support ensures precise tracking, even in challenging terrains. One of its standout features is Pace Pro, which provides dynamic pace guidance to help you meet your goals. Coupled with recovery time tracking and race predictions, it's a powerful tool for anyone preparing for an event like a 5K or half marathon. The display size of 1.04 inches is compact yet functional, though it may feel limited compared to larger screens. The battery life is excellent, offering up to 20 hours in GPS mode and up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode. The Forerunner 55's pros include its robust GPS capabilities, extensive activity profiles, and smart training tools. However, its smaller screen size and minimalist design might not appeal to everyone. Overall, this watch is ideal for focused runners who want reliable tracking and personalized training insights without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Garmin Forerunner 55 in aqua. As the budget option on our list, this smartwatch offers incredible value for its price. It's designed to be an easy-to-use running companion, featuring wrist-based heart rate monitoring and built-in GPS to track your distance, pace, and location. With up to 2 weeks of battery life, it's a reliable choice for runners who prioritize endurance. The Forerunner 55 includes helpful tools like Pace Pro, race time predictions, and suggested daily workouts, making it a great choice for runners of all skill levels. Its lightweight design ensures comfort during long runs, and the aqua color adds a pop of personality. While the 1.04-inch screen is clear and functional, it's not as vibrant as AMOLED displays found in higher-end models. The customization options via the Connect IQ store are a nice touch for users who want to personalize their experience. Its pros are its affordable price, impressive battery life, and solid training tools. On the downside, the smaller display and lack of advanced health metrics may not satisfy elite athletes. Overall, this watch is ideal for budget-conscious runners who want dependable performance without sacrificing quality. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 US version in black. This smartwatch is packed with advanced features for the modern athlete. It's the first smartwatch to offer body composition analysis right on your wrist, delivering metrics like body fat, skeletal muscle, and basal metabolic rate. Its ECG monitoring and SpO2 tracking provide deep insights into your heart health and sleep cycles, making it a standout choice for health-conscious users. With automatic workout tracking for popular activities and live coaching sessions via your smartphone, the Galaxy Watch 4 ensures you make every workout count. Its 1.2-inch AMOLED display is vibrant and responsive, while its integration with Google services adds convenience for daily use. However, the battery life, 12 mAh, may require frequent charging, especially for runners who use GPS extensively. The Galaxy Watch 4's pros include its advanced health tracking, crisp display, and seamless Google integration. Its cons are relatively shorter battery life and a higher price point compared to other options. All in all, this smartwatch is perfect for runners who want cutting-edge health features and smart connectivity rolled into one stylish package. Finally, at number 1, we have the Garmin Forerunner 165 in black. As the premium option on our list, this smartwatch delivers top-notch performance for serious runners. Its brilliant 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen display not only looks stunning, but also offers traditional button controls for added versatility. With up to 11 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and 19 hours in GPS mode, it's built to last through the toughest training sessions. The Forerunner 165 is packed with features like personalized daily suggested workouts, Garmin Coach, and adaptive race training plans. Its ability to analyze training effect and recovery time makes it an invaluable tool for runners aiming to optimize their performance. Safety features like incident detection and assistance ensure peace of mind during outdoor runs. Additionally, Garmin Pay, contactless payments, and smart notifications enhance its usability beyond fitness tracking. Its pros include a stunning AMOLED display, advanced training metrics, and excellent battery life. However, with a price tag of $199.95, it's the most expensive option on the list, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the Forerunner 165 is the perfect choice for runners who demand the best in performance, durability, and smart features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.